All right, so in this question, we are still trying to solve for the interest. We're using simple interest. So we're using the formula I equals PRT. But now time is not in years. So we have to convert the time into years. So we'll do number 7. So over here, we have to know how many months there is in a year. So there's 12 months. So we got to convert 2 months, 2 out of 12. That's what I'm doing here. So 2 months, what is that as a decimal, or what is it in years? So I'm going to go 2 divided by 12, and then when I did that calculation, 0.16666, repeating. So what that means is now that's in years. So 2 months is 0.16666 in years. Okay, the other thing we got to worry about is this rate. So this rate is 4.25%. So what I will do usually is convert that to a decimal. So it's 4 wholes. And then I'll take that quarter, right? So 1 over 4, divide that. And I know that's 0.25. So what am I looking at? I'm looking at really 4.25%. But wait a minute, I'm still not done, because remember, I need to change this into a decimal. So as a whole. So right now, all I've done is converted a quarter to 25. So I'm just rewriting it, but it's still written as a percent, right? So I'm saying the same thing, 4.25% and 4.25%. I'm just saying the same thing here, but I haven't changed it to a decimal. So you're still going to have to divide by 100. So this is multi-step. So this was just changing the quarter to 25. Now I'm going to divide it by 100 to get rid of the percent sign. So that's 0.0425. So a lot of people forget that. Okay, so now I'm just going to sub all these numbers in. So my principal is 6,000. My rate as a decimal is 0.0425. And then my time in years is 0.1666, repeating. So I'm going to put at least 4 decimals there so that I don't run into problems. So I'm just going to multiply all those numbers together to find the interest I get. So I got $42.50. So what does this mean? This would mean that this would be how much I would get in interest every 2 months, always, because it's a linear relationship.